Daily agenda of asset or investment manager can be tedious. Let's make it easier for you and better organized in one application where you can organize records of SPVs, parks, buildings, leases, and related documents. Manage tenants and their contracts. Keep relevant documents always at hand. Keep track of rental income and calculate valuations. Keep track of SPV financing and funding. Record stakeholder interactions. Customize easily regular reporting for banks or investors. Get automated notification on important events. Never miss a deadline or expiration date anymore. Benefit from synergies with other applications from our Square 4 platform for real estate developers. Improve control over your asset and investment management with Square 4 by Konica Minolta.